Once upon a time, all this was mine. Excuse me. You're breathing. That'll be 74 euros.
Today, it's 10 cents a drop. I told you you'd be better off subscribing to a plan that will allow you up to 700 liters per month. The offer includes a fantastic diving ball! You sure?
If you drop it here, you'll have to plant 20 daisies in Tanzania. You know that, don't you?
Europe. Time for big decisions. There's no other way. It's the usual bunch of demonstrators. Everything will be all right. There's no other way.
Stop the financialization of nature!
Ecosystems are common!
Stop ecosystems and biodiversity offsetting!
Stop the expansion of financial market!
Our planet is not for sale!
Then I came onto the scene. Carbon credit! And all of a sudden, pollution disappeared. I swear to you. Why don't you believe me? Did I tell you about the time?
Sport beaches, snow-covered mountains, pretty little woods. How about a nice oak tree? A fruit tree at half price? A bonsai tree? Or a leaf? Look, I've got some lavishly green ones. A dried-out twig?
No.
At least a dried-out twig.
No.
Will that be it then? If you buy 10 twigs,
No.
I'll throw in 10 grass blades.
No.
You could lie on it.
No.
Will that be it then?